Hey, you can't even say otherwise. You need this, and that's why I want you to watch this video till the end. This is Look Man, it's your boys, another day, another done. Let me ask you this. What is that number one thing that every business needs? It does not matter whether you're big business, medium business, or small business. Well, did I hear you say money? Well, you're not completely wrong, but in reality, let me clear my glasses over here. I think the AC is getting in there. So in reality, what every business actually needs is more traffic. More traffic that you can convert, because you won't even know if you can convert them if you don't have those traffic to start with. All right, back in 2019, I was in Phoenix, Arizona with Russell Brunson, the co-founder of Clickfunnels, where he showed us each and every source he used to get his traffic. For someone who built a company that is worth over $300 million within very short 3 years, you bet he knows one or two things about traffic. So at this event, for those of us in Tucumã Club X, Russell detailed how he gets traffic and how he convert them. And due to overwhelming, requests, he decided to put this information into a book that he called Traffic Secret. So very soon Russell is going to be releasing his book Traffic Secret, but the problem is he's not going to have that much copies to go around. But for those of us that were in Tucumã Club X at the event in Phoenix, Arizona, he promised I was going to get us copies, and also it would get those that we would it gives us some exclusive free copies that we can give to those in our tribe. So here's what happens. I put your name down as part of the people that watch my YouTube channel, and those of you in my tribe in the unlimited traffic conversion and funnel secret group. So I put your name down. Here's what I want you to do though. If you still want me to forward your name over to ClickFunnels so we can get you a copy as soon as this book is released, here's what I want you to do. Click on the link below this video. Let me have your email and tell me your name. Tell me that you want this book. So as soon as this book is released, very soon, I think in March, you can have a copy. Not everyone will be able to have a copy. And I guarantee, even if you're not going to get anything else from Russell Brunson, I think you need this book. Whether you use ClickFunnels or you don't use ClickFunnels, it does not matter. I mean, you want traffic anyway. Amazon wants traffic, Microsoft wants traffic, Apple wants traffic. Everyone wants traffic. So that's why I want you to get on the list right now so I can get this over to ClickFunnels, and I can be sure that once this book is released, you can be guaranteed a copy. So click on the link below to get on the waiting list for the Traffic Secret book. This book is coming out soon, and it will mean the world to me that you will get a copy of this book, and I would not want you to miss out on this at all. Listen, I bought this .com secret and expert secret about 3 times, because each time I bought mine, I usually give them away. So but this time around, that's not going to happen, because the Traffic Secret book is going to be very, very limited. So if you want a copy of this, please get on the list right now. Click on the link below this video and tell me you want a copy, and as soon as it's released and I get my exclusive copies, I'm going to send them over to you. All right, so do not waste time. I'm not sure how many people are going to watch this video, and I can only give it to one. I think I can only give it to about 55 people. That's what it says. So I can only give it to about 55 people. So once that list is filled, that's it. I'm not sure what number you are. I'm not sure what time you're watching this video. So go ahead, click on the link below so that you can get on that list. And as soon as I get those copies, I'll send them over to you. And again, do not forget also to subscribe to this channel, because we're about to start some massive campaign on how to get traffic and what kind of funnel to use, and of course, how to convert them. Does that sound pretty good to you? All right, so get on the list, get on the waiting list for the Traffic Secret book. So as soon as it's released, I can send you a copy.